Yes? So are you ready for day 2? Day 2 is going to be even more fun, even more excited. So are you ready? If you're ready, just type in yes. Yes in the chat box. Okay. Let's welcome Rajbhai with clapping around. Yeah? Show some energy.
Okay, guys, are you ready? Okay, just wanted to ask with you people, did you have lots and lots of fun yesterday? Yes? Raise your hands, show me some indication. Did you people have fun? Yes, amazing. So, today it's going to be a very different level altogether. We are going to go to the next level. We are going to have even more fun. But before that, I want you to join me. So, here it is. Okay, so you need to start.
Bounce Patrol. Let's dance. It's a dance party. Everybody make your body dance. It's a dance party. Dance party. Let's dance. It's a dance party. Everybody make your body dance. It's a dance party. Dance party. Let's dance. Everybody's jumping. Music is pumping. Everybody's jumping. Jump, 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 jump. Step to the left, step to the right. Here we go, here we go. Let the rhythm flow. It's a dance party. Everybody make your body dance. It's a dance party. Dance party. Let's do it together. Shoes on, wear your dance party pants. It's a dance party. Dance party.
Wave your hands in the air.
Wave. Let's dance. Dance. Marching band. March. Let's dance. Spin round and round. Spin. Let's dance. Step to the front. Step to the back. Here we go. Let the rhythm flow. It's a dance party. Everybody make your body dance. It's a dance party. Dance party. Let's do it to dance. Turn the music up. Sing along. Clap your hands. It's a dance party. Dance party. Let's do it to dance. Hop like a kangaroo. Hop. Let's dance.
Guys, are you having fun?
Crocodile.
Stop. Let's dance.
Guys, move your mouth.
Run like a cheetah. Run. Let's dance.
Have a big smile on your face. Keep moving.
Step to the left, step to the right. Here we go. Let the rhythm flow. It's a dance party. Everybody make your body dance. It's a dance party. Dance party. Let's do it to dance. It's a dance party. Everybody make your body dance. It's a dance party. Dance party. Let's do it to dance. Put your dance shoes on. Wear your dance party pants. It's a dance party. Dance party. Let's do it to dance. Turn the music up. Sing along. Clap your hands. It's a dance party. Dance party. Let's do it to dance.
Are you enjoying? Did you have fun? Yes. How many of your breath is actually half 50-50? Oh my God. Can you remove it off? Okay. This is amazing. This is amazing. In fact, are you sweating? How many of you are sweating? How many of you are getting that respiration for your breath? How many of you are? Yes. Come on. Show me some hands. Yes. This is amazing. This is amazing. See, look at me. My shorts and all is tucking is come out. Usually my mom will say, "ऐसा कैसा कोई करता है क्या? You should behave decently, types." Yeah. So, yeah, this is nice. So, how many of you are sweating right now? How many of you are sweating right now? Yes. If you are not sweating, then this is not, you have not given your 100%. Remember, you told me you will give your 100% yesterday, okay? And if yesterday was fun, today it's going to be super fun. You know why? Because from here onwards, we are going to take it to the next level. So I want to ask you people, are you ready to go to the next level? Yes. Yeah, give a high five to your neighbor and say, "You're amazing." Give a high five to yourself and say, "You're amazing." Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my God, my hairs and I'm sweating a lot. Okay. See, this is what happens when you people are giving you 100%. I feel like giving my 100%. Yeah, true. Request you people to please switch on your videos. People who have not switched on your videos, switch on your videos so that what happens is Sunita ji is observing, okay, so that we can give you feedback, so that I can see you're part of the system. Yeah, Devansh, you're there with me. Anadia, you're there with me. Arav, Riday, Naik, oh God, this is going to be amazing fun today. Yeah. Any which ways, okay. Please settle down, everybody, okay. Relax. See, that is why I told you, bottle of water is always handy, okay. In case you feel like having water, please make sure you have it. Rishi, you're going for jogging or something? Oh my God, he's already always on the move. Raju, I told excited, so I'll keep moving. Anyways, right now, how are you feeling? Write in the chat box very quickly. Write in the chat box, how are you feeling? Very quickly, write in the chat box. I want to see how are you feeling so that I can take it to, let's begin today. Yeah, amazing, good, amazing, nice, happy, wow. Yeah. Come on. Everybody needs to answer here. Let's participate. Remember, you told I'll participate. Excellent, absolutely. I love you. Yeah. Good, wonderful. Okay, this is amazing. Guys, first of all, give yourselves a huge round of applause for the amazing stuff you did. Give yourself, let me see your clap. Show me your clapping. Yeah. Thank you. On my behalf, give a pat on your back. Once give a pat on your back. On my behalf, okay. Why? So that's okay. See, if you have not attended last class, it's okay. You can always go and watch the video which is there. We record this session and we have put it in the video. Yesterday's session, I have put it in the video. Go back and watch it. It's, you will enjoy the video, okay? But watch it, okay? Because everything is in a sequence, okay? Now what you are going to do is it okay if I teach you something which will help you get more marks in your school academics? Is it okay if I teach you that? Do you want to learn that? Yes, very quickly. In 2 minutes, I will teach you. Okay. Yeah. Is it okay if I teach you something which will help you remember things for a longer time? Can I teach you that? Do you want to learn that? Yes. That's brilliant. Okay. Because, yeah, live in the moment. So let's go into the process. What I'm going to teach you now is a very special process. A process which is going to help you remember things for a longer duration of time. You'll not forget easily. How many of you have come across sometimes, it's there here, but it's not coming out. Arey yaar, why? That only. Arey, it's not coming out. That only. How many of you have gone through this? That only. Why here? Yeah, you've gone through. Yeah. Thank you so much. How many of you have sat in your thank you. How many of you sat in your examination hall and you are, arey, I know this answer. I know this. Arey yaar, how many of you have gone through something like this? Yeah, I can raise both my hands and all, both my hands and legs, okay? Because this keeps happening. Yeah. Now what I'm going to teach you, okay? See, listen, I generally don't restrict myself to only public speaking. Yes, I told you I will teach you public speaking, but I work with a lot of students, okay? Students who are smart enough to know that I want to go to the next level. Yeah, are you smart students? Yes, I can make out, I can see that, okay? You are smart people. I don't even have to ask you, okay? Important is this small things which keep coming your way. You need to keep learning, accumulating. Yeah, and I enjoy. See, I never liked my studies, but I've always scored good marks. Yeah, I am looking studious, but I never liked my studies. But I always got, I told you I'm an all India rank holder in ICAI exams. Okay, this is what it is because I follow the process. And one of the methods I'm going to teach you now. Do you want to learn that? Yeah, are you excited to learn that? Yes. Thank you. Okay, very simple process, but the results are very powerful. Yeah. What is this process? This process is called 10 bar 24, 10 into 24. What is the process called? 10 into 24. I want to listen from you. What is the process called? Yes, for few of you, you must be thinking, I am on mute. So what is the point in telling Raju Bhai anything? He can't listen. Listen, don't attend the program for Raju Bhai. Don't attend. Attend it for you. Okay? Attend it for you to go to the next level. And when I say, what am I? Yeah, when I do all this, I want you to participate. I want you to, it is your mouth which will speak. It is your hands which will speak. And this is what my job is. Make sense? Yes. I will make sure by the end of 5th day, you will realize whether you like it or not, your hands and legs are automatically talking. I promise you that. I can assure you that. Why? If you follow my process, which I'm giving you. I'm giving you simple process, but follow it. Anyways, coming back to this technique, 10 into 24 technique, very simple technique. What this says. Now listen to this carefully. In fact, you may want to make note of it. Make a note, no problem. Okay, but listen to this very carefully. This is very important. This technique, according to this technique, whatever you learned yesterday, okay, whatever you have learned yesterday, if you spend 10 minutes today before starting your day, just 10 minutes today, discussing what you learned yesterday, either sharing with somebody or writing somewhere, something you do which makes you recollect what you learned yesterday, just 10 minutes. Not 1 hour, not 2 hours, just 10 minutes for what all you did yesterday. Maybe in your school, if during when you go to school or when you have your classes, just recollect. You are able to remember it for a longer duration of time. You will be able to remember it for a longer duration of time. You understand what I'm saying? Yes? Yeah? This is a very powerful process. Let me tell you, this opens up the lock. This opens up the lock of your wisdom. This opens whatever you learned yesterday. When you recollect today for just 10 minutes, it opens up. Anyways, we had a class for 1 hour. So we just need 4 minutes. We just need 3 to 4 minutes. That's all. We don't need 10 minutes also because full day 10 minutes, 1 hour, I'm giving you 2 minutes. By the way, how many of you are sitting with more than one person in one connection? Is there anybody sitting more than one person? Type in me in the V in the chat box. Type in V in the chat box. Yeah, let me see very quickly. Is there anybody more than one person sitting? Because That's very important in this activity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Done. Wonderful. No problem. So how this is going to happen is, listen to this carefully. 2 ways. One, if you are sitting, listen to this carefully, because this process, what I am teaching, is not just for today, but it is for your entire lifetime. Isn't that great? Yes, entire lifetime. I'm teaching you something for your entire lifetime, and which will work in every aspect of your life. Okay. So 2 of you, okay, if you are more than 1 person, you will face each other. Okay, if you are 3 of you, 3 of you will stand. I will give you 4 minutes. Okay. So what happens is, 1 person is A, 1 person is B. Okay. You decide who is A, who is B. You get to decide who is A, who is B. Okay, 1. Then A will go first. When I say go, you are going to share what all you learned yesterday in the class here, in the public speaking class. What did you like? What did you understand? Maybe the music was nice. Maybe Rajubai was, the way he explained was wow, amazing. Maybe you never attended anything like this before, or maybe whatever. Okay, we did the ice cubes. Okay, you remember that ice cube? How many of you enjoyed the ice cube exercise? I certainly did, because I did it 3 times before. Okay, 2 times yesterday, 2 classes, and 1 time before. So I certainly, even now I can feel, if I keep my hands here somewhere or near my stomach, I feel that, oh my God, ice cube will come from somewhere. How many of you are going through this exercise? Okay, just touch somewhere and you will see, you'll be, oh my God. What you're going to do is, you're not going to simply, you can take your book, you can take your notes and explain, or recollect and explain, but you're not going to explain just like this. Yesterday we had ice cube exercise, we had a lot of fun. No? Yesterday during the class, I was so excited. When I entered, I never thought there is going to be so much fun. You know what? First, he said we are going to experience. Okay. Then that ice cube exercise. Oh my God, I can still feel the ice. I want you people to be very, dramatic in what you are doing. Okay. Whatever you are doing, make it big. Open your mouth wide, eyes wide. This is how drama, make a lot of drama out of this. Okay. And I mean it. The more dramatic you are, the longer you will remember this. Take my word. Okay. Take my word. This is how our students study. I will show you someday some videos. They come to me. So I will share it with you someday, how they study. That is why they get higher marks. Yeah. So you will explain like this. Okay. When you are partners, one will go first. After 2 minutes, I will tell you to switch. So second partner will start. Okay. Done. If you are alone, what you are going to do is, either you are going to write in the book, or you will explain it to me. Okay, Rajubai, don't worry, you still will be in mute. I will not unmute you. Okay, otherwise it will be chaos. You people will get lost. You people will get, somewhere lost in the whatever people are talking. So what you are going to do is, you people will either write in the book or talk to me. You don't have partners, so you are all by yourself. Bhagwan Bharose. Okay. So you will get 4 minutes. Drama you will also do. Okay. Explain to Rajubai. Even if I'm not saying, you will explain to me. There is a reason why I want you to do this. Okay. So when I say everybody stand up, everybody will stand up. This exercise is not sitting down. Okay. So when I say everybody stand up, okay, you need to jump. Don't slowly like this. Okay. Everybody will jump up. Yay! Yeah. Remember the rule, right? Mummy should come and ask, Ayyo, Paityo, what happened? Okay. Hey, Pagal, this is how mummy's comment should be. Okay. Yeah. Sit down. Not yet. When I say stand up, you should stand. Sit down. Yeah. Sakshi, you're ready? Okay. Everybody jump up. Okay. Please stand up. I can still see 2-3 people are still, okay, that's okay. But you guys are amazing, okay, the way you are, okay. Partners face each other. Wherever there are partners, face each other. Others either write in the book or look at Rajubai, okay. Others, don't worry if I'm not able to see you, don't worry. You don't have to be visible to me. That's okay. Yeah. But make sure you interact with each other. And others either speak to me or write it in the book, whichever way you want. Suntaji, is the timekeeper for us. And A will start first. Okay, wherever there are partners, A will start. Okay, and begin. Start. Devansh, you will stand up. Okay, yeah, speak to me. Speak. Yeah. Show some action. Drama. People who have not switched on your videos, I'm sure you people are doing whatever Raju is saying. Action. I want to see action. Okay, big gestures. Big gestures. Yeah. Beautiful. Keep going. Explain. Natik, why are you standing like one putla? Speak. I want you to speak. Come on, guys. Speak to Raju. But speak. I want you to talk. Explain. You know that ice. Oh my God. It was going here, there. Oh, I can still. Whatever you learned, experientially tell it and tell it to me or tell it to somebody fast, quickly. Yeah. Keep going. If you finish, start again. It's okay. But I want you to use your 2 minutes completely. Shobha Prasad, why are you so serious? Talk to me. Talk to Raju bhai. Yeah, I want you to talk to me. Yeah. Come on, guys. Come on. Absolutely. Shake your head. Shake your whatever. Yeah, but be very dramatic. Yeah. Natik, come on. I need to see some drama out of your body. DJ Bravo, come on. Yeah. Start finishing. A, start finishing, because now it's going to be B's turn. When I say switch, B start. Okay. Start finishing and switch. B, switch to B. Now B start talking. Yeah, continue. I want to see your bodies moving. I want to see you moving. Yeah. That's amazing, guys. You are doing amazing. Continue. If you finish, restart again. Yeah. Use up your 2 minutes completely. Continue. Use your time. Yeah. Be dramatic. Do some drama. I don't know what drama, but do some drama. Okay. Your body should be moving. Yeah. You guys are doing great. Last 30 seconds. Last 30 seconds. Go. Yeah. Last 10 seconds. Start finishing. Yeah. And stop. Give a high five and say you're amazing. Come on, give a high five to yourself or your partner and say you're amazing. This is wonderful. Come on, guys. The way you people are taking it, beautiful. I already see an amazing person in you by the end of day 5. Yeah, this is amazing. Yeah. Okay, be with me. Don't get distracted. Okay, full attention here. Okay. By the way, how many of you have completed your assignment, what was given? The challenge which was given yesterday. How many of you have completed? If you have completed, type in me in the chat box very quickly. Let me see. Okay. I know it was a tough challenge, but if you have completed, type in me in the chat box. Yeah, very quickly. Let me see. Yeah. I want. Yeah. Brilliant. Okay. That's amazing. That's beautiful. Okay. Yes, absolutely brilliant. For that, okay. Give yourselves a huge round of applause. It's not easy, okay. Raju bhai's challenges are supposed to be easy, but they are not easy. Yeah. Yeah, give yourselves a huge round of applause. Give yourself. yourself. That's amazing. Thank you so much. Okay. You remember I told you that I'm going to take you one step at a time, step by step process. You remember that yesterday I told you, right? I will take you one step by step process. And I will make sure by the end of the program, you are going to master the art, whatever we are discussing right now. Okay. Today is day 2. Today we are going to have even more greater fun, but I need your participation. So I want to ask you people, are you guys ready? Yes. Thank you so much. Today, now it's the time for the exercise. Okay. The next step. And let me tell you, I'm just not crazy. I make my students crazy. How many of you are already feeling like some crazy stuff after all that ice exercise and all yesterday? Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you so much. Brilliant. Now I'm going to take you to the next level, all together to the next level. Okay. Be with me. That's all. Follow what I'm telling you. Yeah, Suntaji. Follow what I'm going to tell you. Be with me. But 100% is what is required from your side. Okay. So, are you ready? Brilliant. By the way, since the beginning, I'm teaching you public speaking. Okay. I'm teaching you public speaking, whether it was your dance. You remember that yesterday's excitement, yesterday's mantra, what I taught you, excitement is the key. You remember that? Yeah. Thank you. Excitement. And that is what, how many of you felt excited when you were dancing, when you are, I made you move your hands and legs. How many of you felt excited? Yeah. Thank you. Now I am going to take this all together to a different level. Now, how can you use this while you are conversing with people, while you are interacting with your teachers, while you're interacting with your mom, while you're interacting with your relatives, or when you go on stage, when you are, maybe like what Rajubai is doing now, when you go on Zoom and have your family get together and stuff like that. Okay. So what we are going to do is, I'm going to make you do an exercise now. And for that exercise, you all have to stand up. Okay. Everybody, please stand up. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Thank you. One of the students yesterday asked me, Rajubai, why do you make us, usually in my class, they don't even make us stand once also. We usually sit down and do Zoom classes. Why are you making us stand up again and again? Remember, I told you, I'm not here to teach you A for apple, B for baby, C for whatever. Okay. By the way, I know what is C for. Okay. But I'm not here to teach those things. I'm here to take you through an experience. How many of you are already experiencing a lot of stuff here? How many of you are experiencing here? Yeah. Thank you. So what I'm taking you through an experience. For that, you need to be with Rajubai, you need to be physically fit. Why do you think I run marathons? Okay. I love marathons. I run marathons. You people know that, right? I enjoy. Why? Because if you are not physical, if you are lazy bum, okay, nobody will like you. I'm telling you, you will not get those extra marks. You will not be a friend for others. They will see you, why is he come? Why is she come like that? Okay. You need to be active. That is why I make you up and down. I make you jump. I make you do all sorts of crazy stuff. Okay. And the next crazy stuff is here for you people. Okay. This has 3 steps. This exercise has 3 steps. Listen to me carefully. Okay. Eric, you're sitting. Eric, Andrew, you're sitting, Baba, on the chair. Please lift your bums off the chair. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Yeah. Unless physically you are not able to, I'm sorry if you're physically not able to. Otherwise, you need to stand up. Okay. Done. You don't have to be visible to me. Okay. But I want you to experience. Okay. So part 1, when I say go, what you are going to do is you are going to stand in attention. Everybody stand in attention, attention, attention. Yeah. Stand in attention. You don't have to be visible to me, but you need to do it. Okay. You need to do it. Stand in attention. Okay. Look down to your thumb on your feet, toes. Look at your toes. And with a sad voice, you will say, you are amazing. Okay, this sentence, you are amazing. You will say simply, look at your toes, and with sad voice, you will say, You are amazing. Tell. Everybody tell. You are amazing. Okay, now look up. Everybody look up. Okay. Now what you are going to do is still attention. Hands down like this. Okay. And now you say, you are amazing. Everybody tell, you are amazing. If there is somebody around, tell them you are amazing. But no moving your hands, nothing. Simply you are amazing. Yeah, done. And if you are done, show me a thumbs up somewhat. Okay. Yeah. And now comes the most important part. Okay. Which you will freak out now. Okay. What you are supposed to do is, now what you are going to do is bend down little, knees bend. Okay. Hands like what I have. Okay. Hands open like this, fingers open, hands open, as if you are going to grab, something, something like that. Okay. And have a big smile, eyes big. Okay. Big smile, big eyes. In fact, in case you want to open your mouth big, say whatever you want to do. Okay. And now with all the excitement, you are going to say, you are amazing. Okay. Remember, you come forward, your hands and open. When I say go, you will do that. Okay. Ready? Go. You are amazing. Give yourselves a huge round of applause. Give yourselves a huge round of applause. Please settle down. Thank you so much. Please settle down. Settle down. Now I want to see you. Okay. I want to see you. If I have to ask you 1, 2, or 3, which was the best you think? 1, 2, or 3, which one would you prefer? The first one, second action, or third action? Which was best? Write down very quickly. Which is more exciting? Write very fast. 1, 2, or 3. Which was best? 3. Okay. 3. Yeah. 4. Mehul. Bhaiya, where will I go for that 4? Thank you so much. Of course, I have some naughty students who are writing 1. Till date, I have never got an answer as 1. Believe me, not 2. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. The way you are responding. Everybody's come out till date. Whoever has gone through the process, they always say 3. Which is the best process? Show me, show me, show me. Brilliant. Why? Because there is excitement. Correct? Can you feel the excitement? Can you feel the excitement when you said, you are amazing? Correct? Absolutely. You know what? If you are not excited, people will not interact with you. They will not like. Just imagine your cousin comes to your house. Okay, doorbell rings. You open the door. Okay, come. Mommy, cousin is come. Okay, sit. Somebody will like you. You like such people? They are like dead bodies walking in your house. Yeah, there should be excitement. There should be excitement across. Yeah, just imagine your cousin comes to your house and, yeah, oh my God, you have come. Okay, come. Amma, see who's come. Okay, hey, come on, yeah, let's do this. Hey, come on, let's do that. Tell me, will you like such person or no? Yeah, yes or yes? Thank you. In fact, if mommy gives you a choice, you'll always go to that cousin's house who's excited. Okay, yes. Did you observe? Thank you so much. Did you observe your entire body was moving then? Yes. Did you observe this? Yes. Yeah. This is what I want from you people. You need to learn to speak with your body. How many of you have observed when Rajubai is talking, his hands are always talking, his neck is also talking always, or his body is moving? How many of you observed this? Yeah, you did that? See, this is the part. Yeah, you look my hands. Okay, I look, you look. Okay, I want you people to, okay, you observe this. Your body speaks, and this is what is important. If you want to master the art of communicating, you need to be very physical. Yeah. Now, I know one of you must be thinking, Raju bhai, if I'm interacting with my teacher, good morning, miss. Can I do that? I know you smarties, okay? You're always thinking on those lines, okay? Yes, absolutely. So what I'm saying is, it's not just about, when you talk to him, it's, oh, good morning. It's about, good morning, happy morning, miss. How are you, miss? Yeah, you see that excitement? Good morning, miss. You see that excitement? Yes, absolutely. What I'm saying is, when you interact with your people, whether it is your mom, whether it is your dad, whether it is your grandparents, whether it is your family members, whether it is your cousins, whoever it is, important point is, you should talk with your body also, and there should be some fun when you are talking. Are you people with me on this? Yes? Yeah. Are you people with me? Yes or yes? Thank you. And this is very critical part. This is very, very critical part. How many of you how many of you are already excited? Yes, this is fun. How many of you are excited? Very quickly, type in if you are excited, type in excited in the chat box very quickly. Yeah. Very quickly. If you're excited, type in excited in the chat box. How many of you are learning something right now? How many of you are learning something right now? Very quickly, yeah? Thank you so much. Come on, show me some excitement, okay? When you're interacting, there has to be excitement. Yeah? Thank you so much. Now listen. This is what we are going to go through the 5 days. We are already come to the second day. And from here onwards, it is going to go to the next level. And even now, if you are sitting saying that I don't know, because I'm sure 95% of you are there with me. 1 or 2 people are there. No, I can't do anything about them. Okay. But I'm sure 95% of you are with me. Be with me. Be with me. Okay. Because I will take you through to the next level. Okay. In fact, this is what we do. See, here I can show you, I can demonstrate to you. Okay. What happens is, there are a lot of students who come to us. Okay. Tell me, I want to ask you a question. At times, when you get stuck, when you're not able to do things properly in front of your school, do you feel embarrassed at times? Are you embarrassed or no? Honestly, tell me, have you gone through that moments where, thank you so much. When you have, you wanted to do, but you could not do it for the fear, that fear inside you. Yes. Do you feel that? Have you been? Because I have been embarrassed a lot of time. And this is when I realized, for students, it is very important to learn at an early age. And what we do is, that is what we train people here. Okay. Those people who come to us, we train them thoroughly. Okay. Because me and Sunita ji are here. We both of us spend a lot of time with our students in, shaping them and making them go through a lot of exercises, and practically we make them do every damn thing. You know why? Because we want the best product. We want the best you. How many of you want the best in you? How many of you want the best in you? Raise your hands, yeah? Thank you. This is what we always want. This is what we always want. Anyways, okay. So what we are going to do is, we are going to go to the next part, the second part. Yeah? The speech writing part. You remember that, right? Or you forgot with Raju bhai, yeah? Speech writing part. This is very important for me, because I'll tell you, the way we simplify things for you, nobody else can do it. Nobody else can do it. How many of you already realizing after yesterday's exercise, it actually is simple. If you go through the process, it becomes simple. How many of you understand what I'm saying? Yeah? You understand what I'm saying? Thank you. That's my job. And that is what we spend a lot of time in research, how to make it easy. And today, what I'm going to share with you is going to zap you after if you accept the challenge and go through the process, it's going to zap you. Because today's challenge is a complete next level challenge. Okay. But I want to ask you people, are you ready for that? Yeah. Are you ready for that? See, one thing is when I ask you, thank you so much. When I ask you, are you ready for the challenge? You should always say, bring it, Rajubhai, bring it on. You should say this. Bring it, Rajubhai, bring it on. Tell this. Are you ready for the challenge? Say, bring it on. Do this. You should have that attitude, okay? You should carry it. Bring it on. I'll see what to do. Bring it on. Yeah, brilliant. Thank you, guys. You guys are amazing, okay? So today's challenge, very simple. I always tell my challenges are simple. How many of you understand my challenges are simple, right? They're not at all difficult. Yeah, simple. I'm a simple man giving simple challenges, correct? For big results. Okay, bring it on. I like you guys. I love you guys. Okay. So what you are going to do in today's challenges, in your house, you have different kinds of rooms, right? You have your bedroom, you have your kitchen, you have a wash area, you have a hall or a drawing room. Yeah, you have your bathroom, toilet. You have all different kinds of rooms. Yes. Yeah. Now listen to this challenge of today. You have to have a pen and paper right now. Thank you so much. Of course, I always want to be very special to people. I love my students, okay, whoever they are, whether I've met them, not met them. I always say I love you so much. Yeah. So take a pen and paper very quickly. Okay. Take a pen and paper. Today's challenge, you may have to write it down. What you are going to do is take a pen and paper and go around your house. Okay. To every possible room in your house. Yeah. You will go in the kitchen. You will go into your bedroom or your papa's bedroom if you don't have your room. You will go into the hall. Then whatever rooms you have, okay, you will go through all the rooms and you will make a note of one thing in one room. Suppose you went into the kitchen, okay, and you saw round chapati. Write down round chapati. Then you'll go to the bedroom. In the bedroom, you saw wall clock. Write down wall clock. Whatever, I'm just giving you crazy ideas. You don't have to write my words, by the way. Go around and search, and what you find, you should write, okay? You will also have to necessarily go to the bathroom. That is one compulsory room. Yeah? And whatever you see, potty, right? Potty. Okay. Sticky soap, write sticky soap. Whatever comes to your mind, write it. Don't just write soap, write sticky soap. Don't write chapati, write round or square chapati, whatever. Whatever you see, you have fan, either dirty or clean fan, whatever. Yes, you will make a note of it. Minimum 5 things, whatever numbers you can go. You understood till here? Am I clear till here? Yeah. Let me tell you, if you follow this exercise and you go through this process, speech writing will be very easy for you. I promise you that. Okay. You went into all the rooms. You made a note of each, one thing from each room. I know some of you are smart cookies. You know what you will do? You'll go to either kitchen or bedroom, a fan, a pen, a laptop, bed, a pillow. Rajubhai, 5 items over. Tappad marega. Okay. Go to all the rooms. All the rooms in your house and write down one word, one thing from there. Chair with 4 legs. Write it down. A broken lamp. Write it down. But one item from each room. And now listen to what you are going to do. Clear till here, right? Okay. After this, what you are going to do is you are going to make a story out of these words. You have to build a story out of these words. Yeah. Words can come up and down, aage, piche, that's okay. But all these paragraph, two words you have written, it has to come in your story. Okay. Anybody wants a demonstration, an example, how we are supposed to do? Anybody wants? I can see a lot of hands raised. Okay, let me give you a demonstration. I want you people to write quickly. Suntaji, you'll note down. Quickly write word here, some word here, whatever you think from any room, write words here very quickly, one word. I will very quickly write in. I will show you how it is done. I want you people to write. Type in any word, anything which you think in any of your rooms. Bed. Guys, one word from each of you very quickly, because today's is going to change. For food, photo frame, okay. Okay, I've got 5 words. Okay, I generally take whatever words come. Okay. Thank you, Sunta ji. Yeah. Done. I've got bed, food, spoon, pen, photo frame. Okay. All words given by you. Okay, I have not taken any words of my own. I have taken what words you have written. Now listen to this carefully. Are you people listening to me, right? Yes? Brilliant. Okay. Listen to this carefully. I'm going to give you an example how a story is supposed to be built. Don't copy this story. Build your own story, but build a story. Okay? Ready? Now listen. The elephant was sleeping on my small bed. The elephant was sleeping on my small bed. It felt hungry, so it started jumping and went into the kitchen in search of some tasty food. Yeah, I'm using the next word, food. And it found something in the sink, but its hands did not go inside. So it took a spoon and put it inside, but it still did not come out. So the elephant got an idea. It took a pen, it pierced the cucumber which was there and lifted the cucumber out and started eating. Observe my body language, observe what I'm doing, my language and my words. Okay. Kachi, 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 kachi. It was eating, and I came there. I saw this and I took a camera and kichi, kichi, kichi. I made it a photo frame. Did you people understand? Did you enjoy the story? First, I want to ask you, did you enjoy the story? Yes. Point number 2. Did the story make any sense? Did the story make any sense? Elephant sleeping on my bed, going into the kitchen, cucumber, where all things came. Correct? Did it make any sense? It was total nonsense. But did you have fun? Yeah. This is exactly how you are going to build a story. Just cook a story, whatever you can. Important is these minimum 5 words, whatever you have written, you should be. Yeah, short also, absolutely. Write 2-3 sentences. Then what you are going to do is, you are going to share this story with your family members in your house. Yeah. In the evening or tomorrow, whoever is there in your family, you are going to write this story and then share the story in front of them. Yes, are you people with me on this? The challenge is telling this story in front of them. Okay, point number 2. I'm sure there are a lot of people amongst you who want to take the challenge to the next level. How many of you want to take the challenge to the next level? Matlab, want to do it more than once. Oh my God, Sid, Preksha, Lehek, I'm watching you guys. You guys are amazing, okay? And all the others who are raising your hands, you guys are amazing. Shankar, Priyal, Eric, everybody's raised their hands. Brilliant, okay? This is an amazing batch, okay? Oh, super. Sanskar, okay. Wonderful. So, if you want the challenge to go to the next level, first you will do this challenge. And what you are going to do is go around asking your family members for one word. Ask them whatever they give. Okay. And then make a story and tell it to them. Listen, I'm training your mind here. I'm making all these challenges to train your mind. And you will not even come to know. Just follow this exercise, this challenge that I'm giving you, and you will find a huge difference. You will take your, understanding to the next level. I want you people to take up this challenge. What is this? Who should leave? Okay, nobody is supposed to leave. Anyways, so here I have, there are quite a few. First of all, did you understand what a challenge is? Yes? Thank you so much. If you understood and if you are taking up the challenge, type in wow in the chat box very quickly, because I want to share something else, because I want to talk about notes of the class. Okay. If you are ready for the challenge, type in wow. Yes, wow, wow, wow. Not wow, 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 dogs, wow. Okay, this is wow. Yeah, wonderful, guys, amazing. Now, thank you so much. So tomorrow when I come here, you need to give me a, if you have accepted the challenge, you are going to go to the next level. Okay. Now there are a few students who have asked me, Raju bhai, once you are doing the program, it's okay. After the program, do you have some notes? Okay. See, what I believe is I already have one book which is there. Okay. Which is completely exercises. You want to do more exercise. In fact, the exercise that I gave you, that has around 25 words, which that's a challenge, which you are supposed to make stories and tell to people. Just imagine, I'm telling you one or two. Just imagine you take those 20 words and very well thought of words from different aspects. I'm trying, twisting, squeezing your brains. Okay, I'm chewing your brains, honestly. Yeah. That is what I'm doing. That is what the book does to you. That is what that notes does to you. So I'm going to, it's already shared in the group. Okay. The link I have already shared in the book. It's called Public Speaking. It's King. Okay. With the crown on your head. It's called Public Speaking. Okay. Public Speaking and Queen. This is what it makes you. Very simple, very easy. In fact, what all I have spoken here, it is there in the notes. If you want, it's available on the Kindle. You can go there and download it. Okay. So your notes also I have answered. There are a few students who have asked me, okay, Raju bhai, oh my God, time is already up. It's almost done. Time runs, time flies. I always have so much to share with you people, because here I wanted to have another exercise. Tomorrow, we are going to have another amazing day where there are going to be exercises for you. How many of you are enjoying the exercises that we do here? Yeah. How many of you enjoy? Thank you so much. How many of you enjoy the challenge that are given here? Okay, you're already into the challenge. You're already thinking, Raju bhai, we stop this. I want to go and visit all the rooms. How many of you are already into that? Okay. Absolutely. That is why I love youngsters. That is why I love teenagers. You people are filled with energy. There are a few people who are asked, Raju bhai, I want to get trained by Raju bhai. I want to, you to train me personal. All that stuff is there. I will answer you all the question. Be with me till 5th day. Yeah, because I'm going to share with you some amazing stuff. Not just about public speaking, but about how to be a smart student. How to get those extra marks. I'm going to give you some tips, amazing tips here. Yeah. Remember 10 bar 24. I gave you this tip today, 10 into 24. You remember that? How amazing is that? Okay. Just spend 10 minutes next day and you'll remember the entire stuff what you did yesterday. It's a powerful tool. Okay. Anyways, it's time for me to say goodbye to you. I'm going to share the link in YouTube. I'm going to upload the video on YouTube and share it. Before you leave, one word, how you feel at the end of the class. Okay. One word, how you feel at the end of the class. I will meet you tomorrow again at 5:15. Okay. 5:15, we open the doors. 5:30, we start the session. Till then, yeah, 4:55 in Dubai. Absolutely, Daniel, 4:55 in Dubai. How you feel? I just want to know. Yes, crazy. Of course, we all need to feel crazy. If you are not crazy, then you are not lived your life. If you are not crazy, you are not lived your life. If you are not hilarious, well, you will put everybody to sleep. You will push away everybody. Yeah, excited. You need to be excited every day, every moment, every minute. Till I meet you tomorrow. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Have a great time. Thank you.